Okay, so we are back at the 6-bed HMO in Moseley, off Moseley High Street, that we've just taken on management of. So Carl has attended, he's completely removed everything. He's done a really good job, in fact. And we've got a quote for carpeting, sorry, for the redecorating. So Alex has attended, he's going to redecorate throughout. The landlord has agreed. We're going to get a new mattress for that, so that's a small double. Let's have a quick look around. It's completely cleared out this room as well. So this room, it's actually not that bad. It just needs a good clean, but I think we're going to redecorate it anyway, just in case, because once we start removing these things that tenants have put up there, it's going to damage the wallpaper, sorry, the walls. So we need to take all that off, redecorate. Helen will give this place a really deep clean with her team, and this will be the communal living room area for our prospective tenants. That's going to be taken away. That's still usable, so that's going to be taken away. That's a shoe rack, so we want to encourage tenants to leave their shoes in the hallway, out the way, rather than walk around in the house with it. But this, I think, we might consider taking away, because then that will encourage people to start leaving things there, like loads of old stuff, and it'll just collect over time. So that is fine, but that isn't. I've moved furniture around. We'll do it, finally do it again later. Storage cupboard. So it's just essentially, it's got a ladder and 2 hoovers, which we need. Tank room. I'll go through and do a fire risk assessment. I mean, one has been done. Basically, we've got to change all the thumb turn, all the locks to thumb turn locks. Redecorate, staying up there, redecorate. Bathroom, that just needs to be sealing. And leave it me, I think we're good to go. Kitchen, again, Carl's done a great job here. All that completely removed. So a lot of this will look completely different once it's been redecorated, because this is all cosmetic stuff. We'll obviously replace all the lights as well that needs replacing, like there and there, and that will give the place, that will illuminate the place and make it look a lot more presentable. This is actually sunken down. It's all the water that from the washing has got into there, so we might need to replace this whole unit, or at least cut it out. But I suspect we might need to replace the unit. We'll see about that. At least reseal it. Everything else here is fine. Completely cleared the back, so we'll probably need to get some chairs for this right at the end before the tenants move in, but everything else is just a deep clean. We'd also need to get some new pots and pans and cutleries for the tenant, but I've got a list for that, which can be done pretty much right at the end, which is what we do for new properties. Let's quickly walk up. So this carpet is being replaced. In fact, all carpets are being replaced throughout. Where there is carpeting, we will replace it with new medium grey carpets. This will be, we'll get a new small double bed here mattress, an orthopedic mattress, and then we're getting blinds, quotes for blinds throughout. Let's see. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think just we need to investigate this, because apparently there's been a leak there, and it's something to do with something behind the wall. So we might need to rip this out. So get somebody qualified, rip it out, have a good investigation, and potentially just replace it with a shower unit instead, to reduce the amount of issues there might be. We also need to get somebody to come out and check all these extractor fans, because they're really noisy, as you see. So that's going to be really disruptive to tenants who are trying to sleep. I mean, I've turned them off now, just because they're noisy, but that will need to be looked at. And then before tenants move in, I need to go around and turn everything, all extractor fans back on. Otherwise, we're just going to get a lot of mold in the bathrooms. All the bedrooms are essentially going to be the same. we'll recarpet throughout, a new small double bed and mattress, and then we're good to go. And this should be relatively quick. It's just a redecorating that's going to take. So this is the ensuite. Again, reseal the bath. It smells nice and actually. Okay, we need to get a new shower thing there. Make sure everything is checked. New light bulbs. Okay, so this is actually a double bed, I think, which is annoying. So we need to get a double mattress throughout. For this particular one, this will obviously be redecorated. The landlord is going to get quotes for new windows. He wants really nice sash windows at the front. So we'll get some quote for that. Again, this will be carpeted. This will be commercial carpeting for the stairs. And final 2 room upstairs. So both these rooms will share this bathroom. I've also reconfigured it, this property as well, to maximize the rent. So as an example, up here, both these tenants will just use this bathroom, which, for some tenants that's perfectly fine. Like, they don't want to share, they don't mind sharing bathroom as long as it's with one other person. So at least then they can control that situation. But ideally, they're like their own bathrooms. Again here, just new carpets, new bed and mattress, and everything else should be fine. And this one is just new, redecorate and new carpets. Okay, my name's Nguyen. We let manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. And yeah, we also turn HMOs around. All right, see you.